If you're someone who loves music, hosts parties, organize family functions, or simply wants a speaker that can fill a room with sound, then this video is for you. I'm your host Harshit Arora, and without wasting any time, let's begin. The moment you look at this speaker, you instantly know it's a Marshall product. It carries the same classic Marshall styling that we have seen in the brand's famous amplifier. You get a black textured finish, a metal grille on the front, and those signature gold colored control knobs on the top, plus a battery indicator, light control, and some other useful controls too. This speaker looks premium. अगर आप स्पीकर को ड्राइंग रूम, स्टूडियो या पार्टी एरिया में रखते हैं तो ये सिर्फ एक स्पीकर नहीं लगता बल्कि एक शोपीस जैसा फील देता है. There are lights at the front which gives you a party vibe, and there is the M button for your favorite action and you can customize it. The build quality is solid. Everything feels sturdy and durable, and it comes with an IP54 rating. So yeah, you can carry it around to a pool party too, and it can handle light water splashes. Now let's move to one of the biggest highlight of this speaker, the battery life. Marshall claims that this speaker can deliver more than 40 hours of playback on a single charge. Right after unboxing it, I charged it to 100% and it took almost 4 hours to fully charge this speaker. And after a full charge, I didn't need to charge it again for 3 to 4 days because I wasn't using it continuously. I mostly use it when I was back in the office. So अगर आप वीकेंड ट्रिप पर जा रहे हो, आउटडोर पिकनिक प्लान कर रहे हो या किसी फैमिली फंक्शन में यूज करना चाहते हो तो बैटरी की टेंशन ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो जाती है. Now let's talk about the most important thing, sound quality, and this is where the Bromley 750 really shines. The first thing you will notice is how powerful and room-filling the sound feels. Marshall uses a 360-degree audio system, which means the music spreads in every direction instead of being forced in just one area. So whether you are standing in front of the speaker or behind it, you will still get a good listening experience. और ये फीचर पार्टी स्पीकर्स के लिए बहुत यूजफुल है क्योंकि रूम में हर जगह साउंड प्रॉपरली स्प्रेड होता है. Talking about bass, the bass is deep, punchy and powerful. Bass lovers definitely won't be disappointed. When you play EDM tracks, Bollywood dance songs, Punjabi music or hip hop tracks, you can actually feel the energy in the music. But the best part is that bass doesn't overpower everything else. Vocal remain clear and instrument remain detailed. Another thing I liked is that at higher volumes, the sound remains clean. कई स्पीकर्स हाई वॉल्यूम पर डिस्टॉर्ट करने लगते हैं लेकिन इसका साउंड कंट्रोल्ड एंड क्लियर रहता है. एंड इवन एट लो वॉल्यूम्स द लिरिक्स एंड बेस आर क्लियरली ऑडिबल. देयर इज अ साउंड कैरेक्टर नॉब व्हिच लेट यू डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट मोर डायनेमिक म्यूजिक और लाउडर म्यूजिक. Now let's talk about the connectivity options. Of course, you get Bluetooth connectivity, which is expected. Pairing your smartphone is quick and simple with the Marshall Bluetooth app. But the Bromley 750 is not just a Bluetooth speaker. You also get microphone and instrument inputs. You can connect microphones for karaoke night or connect a guitar for the live performances. ये feature इस speaker को normal Bluetooth speaker से अलग बना देता है. If you are a singer, performer or musician, you will definitely appreciate these extra connectivity options. Now, if we talk about the portability, as you can see, it is not a small speaker. The Bromley 750 is a large speaker, so it comes with some weight as well, and it's not easy to lift and take everywhere. That's why they give you wheels to make transportation easier. But yes, the Bluetooth range is not very good. When I walked outside my office, I got disconnected very fast. Now let's wrap things up. The Marshall Bromley 750 delivers impressive sound quality, powerful bass, good battery life, premium design, useful connectivity options and a strong feature set for both music lovers and performers at a price of around 1,10,000. And if you ask me who should buy this, then I think if you regularly host parties, enjoy loud music, need powerful sound for events or simply want a premium audio experience, then this speaker is worth considering. But if your main usage is casual music listening in a small room, then this might be more speaker than you need. Well, what do you think about this speaker? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe to Gadget 360 for more unbiased reviews like this. I'm your host Harshit Arora. मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में.